Hello guys, right now we are at Kamar Khwa, me Aftab and Fazal Hadi along with Nur Rahman. So we will be in Chukhel very soon. Right now we are at Kamar Khwa. So our next destination is Chukhel. Stay tuned. So we are almost there. Stay tuned. We will show you more.
Just arrived to Chughel Meadows, Chughel Banda. So Chughel is famous for its magnificent beauty, its diverse type of different kinds of flowers, and its beautiful landscape. As you can see, this whole place is surrounded by beautiful and majestic peaks. Your camera will show. Look at those peaks. So Chughel is literally surrounded by all these peaks. So these peaks add more beauty to this place. So as you can see, this whole place is Chughel Banda. So
Hello guys, right now we just arrived the most beautiful place which is called Chughel. We are at Chughel Banda. You can see the beautiful mountains behind me and my friend Fazal is here. So enjoy this beautiful pasture with us. Stay tuned, we will show you more. Thank you.
Dear friends, we are almost here in the most beautiful Chughel Banda. In Torwali, we call this beautiful summer pasture as Chughel Siban or Chughel Siban. So this beautiful summer pasture is situated somewhere in the Mankyal Valley, and one can travel from Mankyal to Kamar Khwa while taking a 4x4 drive. So after that, you need to hike from Kamar Khwa to this most beautiful Chughel Banda, and it will take you around 3 to 4 hours from Kamar Khwa to Chughel Banda.
So hello guys, right now we are at Chughel and we arrived here yesterday, and I'm just panning my camera so you will see that where we stayed for the night. So we arrived here yesterday night and stayed here for the night, and you can see on the background there is a small tent and we stayed at home, and it was fantastic. All the group just enjoyed a lot last night. So stay tuned. We will show you the most beautiful Chughel meadow. Thank you.
Chughel is different kind of summer pasture because the people from Kamar Khwa and other parts of this area, they go Chughel after 15th of July. So it means that before 15th of July, the tourists can go there and they can enjoy all these beautiful flowers, beautiful meadow, and greenery is everywhere. So the tourists are requested to come and enjoy this beautiful summer pasture before 15th of July. After that, the local will come and they will live here with their kettles. So from that time, it will be difficult for them to stay here. So the tourists can stay for the nights and they can make campfires and they can enjoy the beautiful evening of summer pasture along with their friends. And after that, when the people came from the lower areas along with their cattle, so it will be difficult for the tourists to stay for night or to find any place to stay. So it will be difficult for them.
Hello guys, right now we are here at Chughel Banda, and on the camera Nur Rahman is here with me, and we all the IBT group, we here and we stayed for 3 nights in this beautiful meadow. So this is a humble request from all the tourists. Just be careful about the local tradition, about the safety of this area. One can stay overnight at any house, but just be careful about the stuff of local people and fully enjoy this beautiful meadow of Chughel, but just don't litter anything here. Thank you.
Hi, we are now in Chughel. Chughel is a pasture right in the Mankyal Valley and the Bahrain Tehsil of district Swat. It is about 40 kilometers from the main town of Bahrain, and this pasture is probably the biggest, the largest pasture in the entire area in terms of its area, in terms of its capacity to hold people, its capacity to hold cattle and herds. So you see the Chughel pasture is surrounded by majestic peaks of the Hindu Raj range of the mountains, but the Hindu Raj range of this part is Trans-Hindu Kush, we call it Trans-Hindu Kush. And you see these peaks, they are called Kushujan in the Turwali language, and they are known as Kushujan peaks. So these are 6,000 meters peaks, highest peaks, and the highest peaks in the entire Swat.
Hello, all tourists are welcome.
One can enjoy chai and coffee on the highest mountains of Chugail Banda,
Please,
and
when
they will
you are
just
visiting
love
to this
it.
beautiful area, take care of the local.
As we already explained, that just enjoy this beautiful summer pasture, but don't litter it, and be careful about the local tradition and their houses.
So we have got refreshed during these 4 days and 3 nights. So it was the trip was very fantastic. We enjoyed a lot, and
But we missed an
though
opportunity.
though we don't want to go back, but we have other commitments to fulfill. So it's now our compassion to go back. Overall,
The main thing that we have forgot about that is the COVID-19.
yes, definitely.
One thing.
Here.
One thing that we missed to see the majestic lake. On
Saradan,
this peak. Yeah,
Saradan, which
It
is
is
called
planned for
Saradan.
the
But
next-
We will come again,
Inshallah, we will
and
be able to see
stay
you.
tuned. We will show you more from our next
one
destination.
more thing. Whenever you want to visit Chugail or any other natural spot, please protect the environment. Keep it clean, please.
Dear friends and followers, just enjoy this beautiful vlog, and we will show you more from our next trip. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Thank you.